Vicki Vivian, the city manager. I'm here with Brad Hamilton, our public works director. We're here to say, come on down, grab your sunscreen, get some towels, come on down to the splash pad. We're doing a sneak peek opening today from 2 to 8, but I want to remind everybody about the rules. So we're asking people to stay off the grass, stay off the seated area that's blocked off. We need to use the access point here by these handicap parking spots so we don't track any mud or dirt into the system. Also, we're going to be closed on Thursday for the placement of sod. So we'll be doing the sneak peek opening today and tomorrow from 2 to 8, again on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 2 to 8, all with the exception of if anything should happen while we're doing this sneak peek opening. So let's not have that happen. Everybody please obey the rules, stay off the grass, stay out of the dirt, and everybody stay safe. Don't forget your sunscreen and your towels. And let's go on in, guys. Here's the access point. We're gonna have Brad. Thank you to the Parks Department, the Public Works Department. They've been fantastic, working so hard on this project. So Brad's gonna get to do the honors of turning on the water. Here we go. Come on, guys. Come on.